I built SixPax Gym from nothing and now makes millions of dollars. And I'm here to teach you how to build yours. One of the biggest mistakes I see new gym builders make is to imitate commercial gyms. What I mean by that? By searching for bigger space, thinking, hey, if I want to be more profitable and make more money, I need a bigger gym. That is wrong, and I'm here to prove it to you. Come on, follow me. SixPax Gym, small gym, big result. That's why people come on down to the gym, right? So look, I use every inch of this space. I have this parking lot. I put some tires here. When we start training, I use these hammers. I use these hammers to warm up the client's shoulder, get them ready for the session. Also, it's a great way of marketing. Imagine a bunch of people are hammering a tire. Look at this. The street, busy street, the intersection. Everyone is watching us. Look at this right here. I put the kickboxing out here. It's marketing, and also people, of course, the SixPax warriors are benefiting from it. You see, you gotta think of everything. When you have a small space, you have no money, you gotta be creative, and that's what I've been doing. Come on. Look, I built this awning at the top. Through COVID, when California was very strict about the COVID policy and stuff like that, look what I put together. I built outside and we could only train outdoors, so we start training outdoor, and believe it or not, I've doubled my business. I make $1 million out of this little gas station, less than 1,000 square feet. Come on, let's show you. You see, as soon as you come in, I'll put a board here that I just basically welcoming you. Hey John, hey Liz, welcome to SixPax Gym. I put everything you use, come on. Even side of the building, I put messaging everywhere. Look, I'm adding flavor. I'm adding flavor to the Gorilla, Arnold, that's myself. Branding, anywhere I go in this town, everybody knows who I am because of these mustaches, baby. Look, the sign up there, communicating to the traffic that come on down, try a free session. Come on, follow me. I built this bike rack for the people. You see, add flavor, come on. Chris, putting in work, the hand sanitizer, come on in. Look, right here, before and after picture of everyone. Imagine a new client coming in. This is the extension of the website. They see this, you're sold, baby. You don't need, I don't need to talk. All these people lost weight, look at the extreme. That's me competing myself, the award that I won for making $1 million out of this gas station. And see, flavor. Every inch I put it to use. Look at this corner. I put a scale in here, right? Look at this corner. I put the treadmills in this little space. Come on. My hallway. I put all my t-shirts, all my inventory that I said, so I put it right here, right? This liquor in the hallway. This is a $1965 one. Water machine. That's how much weight has been lost at SixPax, and I'm so proud of it. So proud of the warriors for putting in work. Pictures, before and after. Flavor, you see, I don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be perfect, putting the pictures perfect in order. No, flavor is a little space. Come on, let me show you around. Look, every inch of this gym has been used. I can do it all. I can train a professional bodybuilder here. Look, a hack squat for legs. Leg extension, the best leg extensions like Nautilus, Flex, the Gold's Gym, back in the days in the 90s, if you remember, if you watched the Gold's Gym Venice, they had these yellow equipments. I bought one of them actually from Tim, from the old owner. Come on. The Smith machine, these amazing bench presses, corner right here, shoulder press, Nautilus, assistant pull-up, the heavy weights that I put myself together. Look, I bolted these dumbbells myself just because I had to. I didn't have money and I wanted to lift heavy. So you see this machine, I modify it, I cut it so it can fit into the small gym. You see every inch. Can you find a space here going to waste? No, there is no space going to waste. Come on, follow me. I want to show you, that's how efficient you gotta think of it. Look, water machine here, fridge for the employees, microwave, printout. This is an interesting one. Body fat machine printout. I get, if people come, a new person come, I put on my body fat. Come on. This, look at this, flavor. All the clients, if something, they had a win or something, I put it up here and I show them that this is your home. Look at the bathroom. I just want to show you that I don't let anything go to waste. Look at the bathroom. It has my poster, anatomy poster. The clients that came and supported at the show, come on here, look at, show them all the signs that what they need to do if they need to sign on an app or anything. I use every inch of this gym, and I love it. I love a small gym. That's why I'm encouraging you to turn your own garage, come on, to turn your own garage at home to a gym. Let's convert it today. Go sit out there with a pen and paper. Let's figure out how we can turn your garage to a gym. Let's go.